Dear client or industry partner, we have heard you. We acknowledge that we are aware that our current projects for inspection and certification of water parks may need an extra boost to achieve comprehensive facility safety management. And this is what I'm here to talk to you about in this video, as we have some exciting news. But let's start from the beginning. Today, the perception of safety by users in a tourist complex is key to creating a good experience, especially for families with children. In fact, trusting in the activities and facilities designed for the little ones is very important when choosing a vacation destination. Having safe facilities that comply with all applicable regulations is not only important for users, but also for other stakeholders in the industry, such as tour operators, travel agencies, and even the regulatory bodies of tourist destinations. And how can we assist you at the Fun Lab in this regard? Well, beyond the services you are likely familiar with, which include official inspection and certification of water parks, following applicable international regulations, we are now expanding the scope of our activities in aquatic safety in two ways. On one hand, we are incorporating the auditing of public-use swimming pools, especially for those pools that receive water slides, as well as children's play pools, also following international standards. On the other hand, we have developed a model for operational safety auditing and consulting to optimize the management protocols of water parks and play pools. Regarding the safety audits of swimming pools, just as in the case of water parks, we have developed a checklist based on the applicable European regulations. On one hand, the standard EN 15288 related to the design, installation, and operation of public-use swimming pools. On the other hand, the standard EN 13451 focused on the safety of pool equipment. This last standard is particularly important as it includes a specific section on measures for the prevention of incidents related to user suction, one of the aspects that has caused the most incidents in recent years and is of great concern among tour operators. The second of the new services we have developed arises from the fact that many of our clients, who have certified the safety of their water slides and leisure equipment, have told us that they need more assistance to ensure maximum safety in the operation of their water parks, both regarding lifeguarding protocols and the documentation management required by the regulations. Therefore, we will begin working with establishments on practical aspects such as establishing the number, location, and specific actions of their lifeguard teams, implementing guidelines for managing flows, user instructions, and rescues, as well as updating or developing all the required documentation protocols, such as operation manuals, maintenance records, among many others. In short, we will be able to approach each project from a comprehensive safety perspective. In fact, the initial actions taken this season, such as those at Aquapolis Villanueva or the Fergus Club Mallorca Water Park, have been a great success. So, if you have a water park or are in the process of developing one, and you would like to receive a proposal or know the current status of your facility, contact us and we will assist you without any obligation. And remember, safety does not happen by accident. See you next time.